Too bad you're not one of Britney Spears' dogs. Because if you were, she would treat you like a king, dropping tens of thousands of bucks on your every need. TMZ just obtained records of Britney's finances, filed in her conservatorship case. And the headline is all about the pooches. Brit dropped $24,720 in 2014 on pet care. And get a load of the breakdown: $14,720 on pet sitting, $300 a pop for the groomer, 12 visits to the animal hospital, totaling more than $4,000. She can certainly afford it. According to the docs, the conservatorship raked in $14 million in gross profits in 2014. And that's only a portion of Britney's fortune. A lot of her income is made outside the conservatorship. But it's expensive to be Britney. The $14 million was significantly whittled down, because she spent $5.7 million on stuff. That included $15,270 on meals and entertainment, and $71,629 on grooming and wardrobe. And this will make you feel poor. She spent $4,000 on Halloween decorations, and another $6,000 on various holiday decorations. BTW. She spent only $6,000 on human gifts. In all, Britney's assets in her conservatorship total $45.9 million. And that's just a portion of her fortune.